Alright, so Project 1 video reflection. Uh, Overall, how do you feel about the paper you wrote? Or what did you take away from the experience of writing this paper? I didn't like writing about myself. I'm happy with how the paper turned out, but the subject, uh, is an awkward one, I guess. Just having to talk about yourself and your growth in literacy, which in my case was literacy on the guitar, but still not my favorite thing to write about. As for what I took away from the experience of writing it, is that I guess if you if you just sit yourself down and tell yourself you're going to do something, you can pretty much do it. The experience was basically just sit down, write it all, and then come back to it later to edit. Uh, what did you want your readers to take away from your paper? Uh, what did I want them to take away from my? Just that you need to have a passion for what you want to do. I guess I don't know. Just, I guess the takeaway is like sort of practice makes you better at things, or you know, exposing yourself to new experiences helps you grow. That's another good thing you could take away from this paper. Um, my peer reviewer offered some pretty good feedback. I thought they understood what I was getting at with the initial rough draft, and I tried to follow what they said. Making it personal. Uh, you know, Making it more personal and expanding on some of the ideas to make the paper fuller, I guess. The aspect of this paper that leaves the most room for improvement, probably either I would say like flow. I'm not the best at like making paragraphs flow together one after another, but really finding a way to end it was weird because at that point I had already written everything I really wanted to write, but I was still short of the word count, so I had to add a couple more sentences. What do I like most about this paper? Probably probably the third paragraph. It was really easy for me to write the third paragraph. There was a lot of just I guess genuine thoughts there. That was also just you know fun to reflect on that time in my life. It was really fun playing with those guys. But yeah, that's the Project 1 video reflection in 4 minutes.